Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your subscription and updating Spotify. This unlocks lossless settings. Once done, pick a compatible output, desktop USB DAC, wired headphones, or phone with LDAC, because Bluetooth SBC will reduce quality. Make sure to connect the chosen device and open Spotify settings. From there, go to audio quality. Enable the highest very high or lossless toggle so Spotify streams uncompressed or lossless files where available. This initial step sets the chain for true high-fidelity playback. Now you configure the signal chain so nothing bottlenecks the stream. In Spotify, select your output device explicitly. Choosing the system default can route through lower-quality mixers. Then set streaming quality to lossless. If possible, prioritize local files or downloads to avoid network hiccups. On desktop or a DAC, match sample rate and bit depth. Make sure they are at least 44. 1K HZ/16-bit or higher to preserve fidelity. If using a phone, enable LDAC or wired mode to maintain the bitrate. Finish by verifying playback with a clear, lossless reference track. Listen for improved imaging and dynamics versus compressed versions. If you hear dropouts or distortion, switch to wired output first. Wireless can be lossy, and increase playback buffer in your audio driver or app where available. Make sure sample rates match between Spotify, the OS, and your DAC. Mismatches cause resampling artifacts. Finally, restart the app or device, update firmware, and toggle the lossless option. If problems persist, recheck cables and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.